Oh yeah. Just spinning, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, weird. Okay, well let's figure out. You already pulled the filters? So you pop the filters, and what I noticed right away without taking the side off is that there's no grates in there. Normally some tubs have a grate or some kind of screen on there built right into that fitting. Then when you take the filters out and say leaves or anything, they get kind of caught up on there and you can take it off. But this here right away, I've seen it so many times that stuff gets sucked down in there when you take the filters off. So we're gonna take the side off, because pump one sounds like it's spinning, but there's nothing coming out. Zero, nothing. So when there's no water coming out, the knife valve will slowly, it will close down on its own because it's warm, but because of the clips, it shouldn't fall down. So you got one there, but I can almost guarantee you that there's something stuck in there.
Like debris or something? Or?
Yeah, because there's no grate. Do the shut-off valve. We gotta get in front of here. Sometimes it could be an airlock. So for the airlock, if you can't get it out, you can unloosen this here to let some of the water out. Ah, shit. Maybe it's a broken impeller. Oh. Nothing stuck in there. So I can turn this very easy. So impeller's broken. Okay, turn the power on. Yeah, turn the power on for the breaker. So we're going to turn it on. We're going to turn the pump on. Let's show you why the impeller's not moving. There you go, you're on my light. So, pump's on. The impeller's not moving.